Good morning from NPTI Florida. I'm Pat Sherman. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome week. Today, just wanted to give our personal trainers, graduates, future personal trainers some tips as far as what a prospect is, what a lead is, how to take an actual lead, move it into being a prospect, which is also going to then eventually lead into a client, which is a sale. That's the ultimate goal, the main thing. We have to keep the main thing. Additional clients, more clients equals sales, income potential at the end of the year. So prospect and lead, most would think that they are the same thing. They are not the same thing. A lead is a contact who has not been qualified yet and has not been put into your prospect category. So what does that mean? A lead is a person who may have a vested interest in going to a gym, may need a personal trainer, may be overweight, may want to hire a personal trainer, going to a wedding, get in better shape for the pictures, videography, and things like that. So a lead is totally different from a prospect, but you can take a lead, convert that lead into a prospect, which is going to be closer to an actual client. A prospect is someone that you've taken a lead, moved it into the prospective category, and you've established that individual would clearly benefit from your personal training services. You've qualified that individual. They could fiscally afford to hire you as a personal trainer, and that individual then becomes a prospect. So the process, so to say, to take a lead to a prospect to a client is real simple. So you take the lead, convert it into a prospect, convert it into a client. Client equals money. You have to understand the difference between just a random lead, an inquiry, has not been qualified, you've not talked to that individual, you have not met with that person to see if they could fiscally afford your services. But that's just a quick overview, guys, of how to take a lead, move it to become a prospect, convert it into a client. Hopefully, guys, enjoyed this quick PT tip of the week, sales tip of the week. If you guys are looking to become a personal trainer, if you're a personal trainer already, looking to advance your annual income, we do have additional programs, health coaching, nutrition, youth fitness. We'd love to chat with you. Give us a call. Follow us, nptiflorida.edu. Text me, 407-772-0057. If you're struggling and need some help with anything pertaining to sales and marketing in the personal training industry. Have a great week. Thank you for following NPTI Florida, Orlando, Tampa. I'm Pat Sherman. We appreciate you guys following us, subscribing, and liking us. If you want to become a personal trainer looking for a fitness profession heading into the new year, give us a call, 407-772-0057. If you're one of our graduates of 22 years looking to increase your clientele and your income potential, we have a level 2 program, 600 hours, 3 200-hour modules. Give us a call, follow us, guys. Appreciate everything.